Welcome to Best Cars Review. Today, we're diving into a true icon that's been reborn. The legendary 2026 Volkswagen Beetle V8. Yes, that's right. The friendly little bug just got seriously powerful. Stick around, because what's hiding under the hood will blow your mind. The 2026 Beetle blends its classic charm with a bold, modern redesign. You still get the signature round headlights and curvy body lines, but now it's more aggressive, sportier, and clearly built for performance. The front grille is wider, deeper, and more sculpted. It gives off real muscle car vibes. From the side, the transformation continues. The car sits lower, the wheel arches are wider, and it comes with massive 20-inch performance wheels. The suspension has been beefed up too. This isn't just a stylish cruiser anymore, it's a sports machine. Blacked out door lines and window frames add a sleek premium touch. Inside, it's a totally new experience. You get a full digital instrument cluster and a huge touchscreen infotainment system, carbon fiber trim, modern layout, and even a V8 badge let you know this isn't a normal Beetle. The bucket seats are snug and perfect for spirited driving. Move to the back and the surprises keep coming. A wider rear bumper and aggressive quad exhaust setup leave no doubt. This Beetle packs a punch. LED taillights keep the classic round shape, but with a crisp modern finish, it's retro meets muscle in the best way possible. Now here's the real shocker. Open the hood and there it is. A beastly V8 engine inside this compact frame. It delivers over 450 horsepower and rockets from 0-60 in just 4 seconds. Chrome valve covers, high-performance intake system, and an ultra-clean engine bay show off true engineering excellence. It's not just powerful, it's smart and safe too. You get advanced safety tech like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring. A reinforced chassis and upgraded brakes make sure it stays planted and confident at any speed. The 2026 Volkswagen Beetle V8 is not just a nostalgic throwback, it's a bold blend of emotion, performance, design, and technology. This may be the wildest Beetle we'll ever see. If you enjoyed this review and want more exciting car content, don't forget to subscribe to Best Cars Review. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Welcome to Best Cars Review, where horsepower meets high class. Today we're diving into one of the boldest entries from BMW, the futuristic and powerful 2025 BMW X10. Buckle up, because this one's going to impress from every angle. The 2025 BMW X10 is a bold evolution in BMW's design language. It carries an aggressive, athletic stance with a wide front grille, now more aerodynamic and sharper than ever. The laser-sharp LED headlights blend seamlessly into the sculpted hood, giving it a sleek, futuristic look. 22-inch alloy wheels, hidden door handles, and a flowing roofline make the X10 look like it's in motion, even when it's parked. A clean, muscular finish with 3D LED taillights and quad exhaust tips that scream performance. The interior of the BMW X10 is where luxury meets sci-fi. You're greeted by a full-length curved glass display, blending the driver's gauge cluster with a massive infotainment screen. The steering wheel has a flattened design, with touch-sensitive controls and a glowing BMW logo at the center. Everything feels premium. From the ventilated leather seats with diamond stitching to the ambient light strips that flow across the dash and doors like a light show. The center console is clean and futuristic, featuring a crystal gear selector and wireless charging dock. And yes, there's a panoramic glass roof that stretches to the rear, bathing the entire cabin in natural light. Under the hood, this is where the real magic happens. The 2025 BMW X10 is offered with a hybrid turbocharged V8 that pumps out nearly 700 horsepower. There's also an all-electric variant in the works, promising instant torque and over 350 miles of range. BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system ensures power delivery is smooth and precise, making it a true beast on both highways and twisty roads. Technology. Loaded BMW's latest iDrive 9 powers the infotainment with voice commands, gesture controls, and over-the-air updates. You've got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, 5G connectivity, and a 20-speaker Harman Kardon sound system. And the driver assist suite includes adaptive cruise control, lane centering, auto parking, and even hands-free driving on mapped highways. Safety is just as impressive. With 9 airbags, reinforced steel structure, predictive collision detection, and real-time hazard alerts via BMW's car-to-cloud network, the X10 protects like a fortress with the mind of a computer. To sum it up, the 2025 BMW X10 is not just a car, it's a statement. From the design to the drive, every detail screams innovation, power, and luxury. It's built for those who want to stand out, go fast, and stay connected. Thanks for watching Best Cars Review, your daily dose of horsepower, style, and future tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon, because tomorrow we bring you another beast on wheels.
Shadows cold and bare, wish waves of a love that's no longer there, echoes in the alley where we used to meet. Silent and cries in the rhythm of the street. Rain taps on the window like a mournful song. Memories of us just linger on and on. Heart cracks open like a dusty book. Pages torn by the glance you never took. The empty nights and hollow days, lost in this maze of your distant gaze. Lonely hours stretching bent, wishing for a love that the stars won't send. Coffee stains